Many 2017 Volkswagen Golf owners experience frustrating issues with their MIB2 infotainment system. These problems are widespread and well documented. The most common symptoms include a completely frozen screen, complete loss of audio, the system continuously restarting, or touch controls that simply don't respond. Before taking your vehicle to a dealer, there are two simple troubleshooting steps you can try yourself that often resolve these software glitches. The first method is a simple power button reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system completely shuts down, then press it again to restart. If the power button reset doesn't work, try the fuse reset method. This involves temporarily removing the infotainment system fuse. Locate the fuse box on the left side of your dashboard. Remove fuse number 42, which controls the infotainment system. Wait 10 minutes, then reinstall the fuse and start your vehicle. These two troubleshooting methods can resolve many common MI2 software glitches without requiring expensive professional service. Try these steps first before seeking dealer assistance. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your VW Golf infotainment issues, advanced reset procedures may be necessary. We'll cover factory resets and hard resets, plus preventative measures to avoid future problems. If your infotainment system is still responsive, you can perform a factory reset through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Reset to Factory Defaults. This will restore the system to its original state. When the system is completely frozen, a hard reset is required. This involves disconnecting the vehicle battery to discharge the system capacitors. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, wait 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnect positive first, followed by negative. Prevention is the best approach. Always allow the system to fully boot before use, avoid rapid commands during startup, and properly remove USB devices. Keep software updated and minimize exposure to extreme temperatures by parking in shade when possible. These advanced procedures can resolve most persistent infotainment issues in your 2017 VW Golf. Remember that prevention through proper usage is always better than repair. If problems persist after these steps, professional diagnosis may be required.